Cricket we go, where Colin Munro's record third T20 international century condemned the West Indies to their seventh defeat and ensured they ended their tour of New Zealand winless. They went down by 119 runs in the final T20 on Wednesday.
It's a new year, but the same old problems exist for the Windies, who suffered yet another crushing defeat on their tour of New Zealand. The Caribbean side came into the contest hoping to salvage some amount of pride, having lost all of their previous 6 matches on the tour, but Wednesday's contest brought no greater joy. New Zealand won the toss and elected to bat, and from the outset they began punishing the Windies bowlers. It was Colin Munro's assault which was the deadliest, the 30-year-old scoring a record third T20 international century, blasting the Windies bowlers to all parts. He and opener Martin Guptill put on 136 for the opening stand before the latter was dismissed for 63. Munro continued his onslaught and ended up being last man dismissed for 104, with New Zealand piling up a massive 243 for 5, the 7th highest score in T20 internationals. The Windies had the worst possible start in reply, losing opener Chadwick Walton with the first delivery of their innings. That was a signal of things to come, as they lost talismanic opener Chris Gayle 4 deliveries later, as he lost sight of a short pitch delivery from Tim Southee. Andre Fletcher and Rovman Powell then tried to engineer a minor rebuilding effort, but Powell ended up falling as he tried to push the tempo. Fletcher pushed on to 46, but found no worthy allies, as the scoreboard pressure saw the Windies crumbling for 124. Southee ended pick of the Black Caps bowlers with 3 for 21, while there were 2 wickets apiece for Trent Boult and Ish Sodhi.